Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Kola Edopayi dey with the lawyer of security guard wey the chairman of Code of Conduct Tribunal oppress with the DSS and police wey dey with am. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Kola as the lawyer dey explain everything wey happen. This thing wey happen so na Abuja, one shopping center for Abuja na e for happen. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Kola and the lawyer. Enjoy the video.
Good morning, my brothers and sisters. Good afternoon. Good evening, my people, both home and for abroad. I welcome una come this our program of today. Today na 31st day of March 2021. Una know say on the 29th of March, when we come out say we want protest for Benin against the increment of cement, against inflation, against high cost of a living and low standard of living, a more than 500 policemen come envelop the peaceful protesters. They come lock the gates where the protest want for start, and because of that one, protesters come address the press. They come do the protest for inside the venue where they sleep for the protest. They come address the press for that place where 14 days ultimatum was given to the federal government to address the price, to address the increment of cement and other commodities. That same day, for Abuja, the chairman of Code of Conduct Tribunal, wey dem dey call CCT, the man name na Umar Danladi. He come go one plaza for Wuse 2 wey dem dey call Barnes Plaza, wey dem dey call Barnes Plaza. He say according to am, he say wan go repair a phone. Where he park put, one security guard come tell am say, oga, where you park put so, you no go fit park for this kind for here, make you change the direction wey you park put. The next thing, according to the video we watch, now oga start to dey clap the boy with slap for ear, start to dey give am slap, kpak for ear, as if say the boy na animals. Because of that one na, the people wey dey the plaza, all of them come out say, oga, why you go dey do all this kind thing sef? Why you go just dey clap person for ear, as if say the person na goat? The people wey dey there na, they come dey boo the oga, say, oga, why you dey do this one? Oga, why you dey do this one? They come even lock the gate. Oga no come even fit see chance take drive comot. Na police na come even come carry oga comot for there. But the next day, that was yesterday, on the 20th, oga press person come talk say, oga go there go repair phone. As oga park, na one the security guard come out say, oga, change where you park put so. According to the information wey that one give, he say na all those people na him assault oga, say oga Oga no assault. He say Oga no assault anybody. But what we wan do so, we get the person, so we wan bring the person online. The person wey this thing happen so, wey this thing happen to, we wan bring the person come line now, make e come, and the lawyer make dem come tell us wetin really happen. Because Nigeria na our country. For Nigeria, human rights dey exist. Human rights dey exist well well for Nigeria. Before we go further, make we call the person. Make we call the person. Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
God bless you, sir.
Yeah.
Can you tell us your name?
My name is Ihan Second Samuel to you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Mr.
Lawyer and legal practitioner.
Okay.
Based at Abuja.
Mr. Yes, Barrister Samuel, a revolutionary and astute legal practitioner based in Abuja. Yes, my brother, you did our program, our Talakawas Parliament human rights program. We dey talk, we dey report as e be. We dey report as e be for everywhere, even from US, Canada, everywhere. Each time we say rele. Thank you. On the 29th of March 2021, we come watch for video how the chairman of Code of Conduct Tribunal, woman, that lady, take dey clap one that security guard for ear. They clap in ear, we slap, pack. And I will come say yes. Now as we watch am, we never fit get in the links. Since today we come get it. The guys that will say make you talk to us as the lawyer, make you talk to us and make you also link us with that that person wey that big man allegedly oppressed. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, on the 29th day of March 2021. Oh, would you like one with Pidgin, sir, or I speak English?
Yes.
Would you like one with Pidgin or I speak English, sir?
Yes. Pidgin English. You fit mix Pidgin English with English.
Okay, on the 29th day of March 2021, Barnett Industries Limited,
Okay.
the owner of Barnett Plaza Management.
Yes.
I've been one of their external lawyers.
Okay.
So I've been an external lawyer since 2015. And we have other cases. I think most of their issues are really handled for Abuja and beyond. So they can't take my attention because the plaza, everything comes kata everywhere. Everything turned upside down. Wahala. Let's see. And I took class everywhere. So as I can't see one man with this. And the man says the very fact.
Yes.
From a distance. I see the man, the Chinese dinner. They fight with other fellow dinner.
Yes.
They shout. They carry hands. They don't dangerously. I say, how can somebody in suits they fight? So I can't call the legal manager of Barnett. One
Yes.
that can. Okay? What can they have to put? They have. Say one of their security, reliable security service.
Yes.
One of the boys with the work for reliable security service.
Yes.
If you're on that beat, it's here for the old Barnett Plaza, and then they beat for that day. Then this woman Dalandi and the driver, they come back for roof. And as normal security protocol,
Yes.
Now he go meet and say, Oga sir, very at him like just 22 years, small boy. Oga sir, please now road you video so that if you can adjust so that you don't go cause obstruction and other people can. Now the man come down for car, clap am 2 times.
You don't come down and slap am for ear, clap am.
That one wey dey see not be the own the video.
Okay.
That one after I don deal with this boy. He slap am 2 times for face. Shake am, push am for car.
Yes.
The other one wey dey inside motor like the driver. That one come outside, carry this boy go outside, knack am for car. I dey look for almost 100,000 or thereabout. I carry this boy to national hospital because he don dey complain to me say chest. Because na who dey alive now, na dey do this. Hello? Hello, sir.
I dey with them, we dey hear you.
Yes, na who dey alive dey do case. So I need to raise that money as soon as I put him on bed check while I still do the case dey go. So now he come the house. See wetin I do, no be to just park well. Na woman be so the woman come one go inside the car. He get one iron wey he keep for inside the car.
Yes.
Hello? He wan go carry that iron.
He carry wetin?
Yes. Oh, hit this boy probably make he die.
Eh?
Yes. Yeah, the boy say yes. He go confirm everything what I talk. Now the tenants when they see wetin dey happen say somebody fit die now they rush come go meet am some call the beggar if in the process fall for ground.
Yes.
They call the boy wey dey push the boy get am from here the other one wey carry book I will train you for 50 years and so this man dey talk like say he no be lawyer he no be gospel at all. Meanwhile the boy so the other driver now come out after they don't deal with this way people come gather people call the employer make it extract caution. Now you that driver in order to please woman now you go sagwa for shirt now you do some slap now be that video wey na dey see. As he do some slap again woman leave push police wey dey for barriers wey dey hold am woman come meet the boy come use kick the boy with the leg na the boy fall for ground. The boy neck now, the chest, the eye, everywhere, the feet now. I don't know what I would do. So from there again, woman, this is city chairman. He called my Tama police station.
He called my Tama police station. Okay.
All of them enter bandits. The whole place turned upside down. They carried the boy for another car again. Carried the boy go to read the boy for my Tama. Come again post for just saying that he come out on us for office. Now he almost come out Saraki for office. Imagine what the public officer did. And witness day when he talk all this. Now he be the judge, they tell police, they try to intimidate them. They don't only complain. They beat up for bandits. So the hunter will they chase bushmeat. So how bushmeat come begin pursue hunter again? It doesn't happen like that. So the boy come there. Now as I hear the thing now swiftly under the cover of some civil society. Yes. I spoke with MBA. They see what did happen. And One Love Foundation that is the official address. I made the president of One Love Foundation be aware. I ran down to that my Kama police station. I engaged the police officer. I saw the video. I showed him the video of the atrocious and the violent assault that was carried out. When they see and they shock, they think this will not be waiting there. Immediately, unlike police, the DPO was very professional. He ordered for the release of Sagwa Kombi to the legal manager of Banner. So that's all we got. So when we come back, they observe the boy and they check her, make sure say they okay. But the past is now we call it strategize because calls don't they come. A lot of journalists they come, meetings and all several press interviews over this issue. Today again, the letter manager of Banner come say police say make it carry Sagwa come my Tama. I said, go do it now. Police don't want to say that Sagwa now be nominal complainer. So the person was there for if I invite. Now, woman, when a woman they are custody, then they cannot have advise Sagwa now to adopt the petition, which is the standard procedure. After some time again, now he come you, the police don't come back. They did for the Oga of Clement Sagwa, they did for a security office because the Oga gets security office there for but they say Sagwa must follow them go bust the eye. Now he runs to the office. Now I engage the policemen for discussion as a civil and a very senior lawyer. They were not happy with my intervention, but I told them that this kind of thing, they would have called the legal practitioner, which I happen to be, of Clement Sagwa. They will not assess the situation because right now we don't even know who actually wants it because the matter is a sensitive matter. Yes. And anything can happen to this young man.
Yes.
We are trying our best to protect him as much because it's a serious issue. And mind you, the police officers that came to his Oga's office, they were not on uniform. Hello?
I do with you.
They were not on uniform today. They on mostly. Now only two way follow the Maitama police form, wear uniform. So I won't call the only doubt whether when I look at critically, they be like police officers. So they now took the statement of Sagwa, took those videos, took the pictures where because the man was holding a form that day. So with very deep cut. So they took the picture. They said whether we get eyewitness, we do the talk. We carry almost 5 eyewitnesses. The eyewitness call Nadia, I don't pay here one story, but we never start action. Even that day where woman don't do this, they carry Sagwa go by the man, they release her. Woman again comes back to Banes with and Sagwa Clement, they see woman with the eye, the female call woman. Woman come again back to Banes. They begin one of the tenants of Banes say they even spend life ammunition trying to shoot and get people in Banes. Some police, some officers, we cannot do that in DSS now, but police, some officers were trying to arrest people in this way. However, that boy will carry phone call give am when the phone for ground. They say they pick the boy, they indicate that all staff will talk. Nobody, the boy is the tenant of Banes, nobody know where that boy is.
No, you wear it back now.
We don't go for Sekota, we don't go. But now, woman and the security boys, what they that carry am.
Okay, now they carry am command.
They say they not deal with her, so we suspect to go right official in the DSS to know where that boy is because we not dey happy with this development. So now they can't talk about where the police is today. Police now, you know the one way concern them. So when they finish now again, after taking the boy statement, they say they want to carry the boy to go. Now they say no. Which kind police thing that they do like this? You don't know, this boy is on bail. Hello?
I think we're there with you, they hear you.
Yeah, this boy is on bail. If you need him, you will consent, when you don't take it, say, allow him, the boy is not moving one. So the legal manager for Banes stand the ground, say no, he not go allow that. So and then when they come see how the team be, and we suspect the way that they do today, they come run enter their car. They can't come out. So now waiting don't happen all this while. So we wait for other. But meanwhile, we are preparing. We have standby lawyers and civil lawyers who are coming together to make sure that this case is not swept. We believe that the police, as they say, the police is your friend, and the police is the best institution. We believe they will live up to the task and really try to investigate this matter. And when they find anybody wants, they prosecute. So that is where we are now, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. And you say, well, never now the person now way now the person so where they beat, where that big man, the whole public officer, the chairman of CCT beat. So now that one, now the person where they beat, so they're supposed to do the hospital. Now they see the police see the fine up and down. So
yes.
Okay, no wahala. But then
meanwhile, it's all issue press statement.
Yes.
Then people beat her.
Yes.
Imagine
yes, he say what did they talk? Well, I read the press statement where whether
Nigeria is one, we cannot divide. will always be one. There is nothing like Biafra.
When they say na Biafra boys,
no,
they say Biafra. Who can be Biafra boys? So we don't understand.
Yes, I'm calling on the authorities to investigate that statement he made, because the statement itself is inciting, is insulting, and very degrading of the management of banks.
Yes.
Yeah, we are by this medium. We are telling him to retract and apologize. Already, if he fails to do so, we have no option than to take him to court for defamation. And this is criminal matter.
The boy, so the same boy, so he will fit talk to us.
You said?
The boy with the big, with Oga big, so.
The Sagwak.
He will fit talk to us.
He did here with you, explain everything now.
Okay. My brother is Sagwak. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
The old people, the old world now they hear your voice. You fit tell us what happen. We watch video. We watch video for social media. How one man till they cap your ear with slap. Pack. You understand? And you fit tell us what happen.
I explain what you have.
Yes.
Okay. On Monday, on 29th.
Yes.
March, I was working in the hospital. So on my beach, I'm working. One man tried like that, come and park. And the park on the road. I went to meet him. I told him that, okay, you park on the road, shift your car. Man just come down, he can slap me, push me, tear my uniform. The driver that he come down to turn and beat me, carry me, put on ground. When he put me on ground, he just run and enter in car, carry iron to come and knock my head.
He carry iron? Okay. Big man?
Yes, he don't carry iron inside.
Iron?
He carry iron. Sir?
Would they hear you?
Carry iron. I ain't telling us for the blood that come hold in hand. Upon those videos that I want to carry iron, come and see. That is why I came for you to call my supervisor. When I call my supervisor, call police to come and see the matter. When police come, only want to talk to the man. He say he's the judge, nothing, no police, he say no go.
Judge dey behave like that. Judge dey behave like that. He sure say na the man. Judge dey behave like that. Hey.
So, that is why he send his driver to go out and carry SS and police to come. When the police come now, when the police come for inside my phone, they drop. When the police drop, the man see the police drop, he will later slap me in presence of the police. When he slap me, say one for the man to slap me. The policeman slap me and tell me to kneel down on the ground. When I kneel down on the ground, the man now run out like that. Shoot me for mouth. I didn't break my mouth and go down. That's why they carry me. When they carry me to my IDO. From there, police from Medama come. They want to go to Medama protection. We went there. The man go there for a video office. They no reason to come and go out. Now, the policeman say, we will follow our management so that they can come and tell me to go out. And because the ball will go put me for Karamot. When they put me there, my manager wants to come with lawyers. They come bail me. When the bail me come, the man later died with the three DSS and SARS.
DSS and SARS.
And that is in the game. Come and shoot one guy. They even shoot gun more than 5 times when they are shooting gun. That is in that. I saw the man, he come, as he come drop, he now enter drop. Go out, leave men there. They are gone. They come and arrest one guy and go. That guy have to now pay for their DSS office. Never use.
Now say it happen.
Yes, now what happened?
Okay, no problem. And further discussion, it will be with your lawyer. But this country will be so human rights day. No matter how powerful somebody be, no matter the office where you get, whether the chairman of CCT, CCBO, and no NBA, you must respect everybody's rights. The man a lawyer, they assume say as a lawyer, you're supposed to respect your rights.
And this man they call me on phone that I should come to first headquarters. The city want to see the policeman.
There's something you call force headquarters.
Yes, he says if you want to see me. And I say, okay, yes, but let me call my supervisor. When I call my supervisor said I should not go alone. I should come to the department. We'll go there with him with the lawyer. That's when before I reach here, I told them they don't come to me.
Okay. Okay. No.
As they come, they say they want go with you. That is why my body cannot allow.
Okay. Okay, no problem. But in all this thing, because the man said, now you say that they assault, and nobody assault the man, nobody touch the man. Nobody slapped the man.
Nobody slap him, but
okay, now slap you.
Nobody slap him.
No wonder. Thank you.
Just enter inside, want to go. That is why you block the gate. People start throwing stone.
Okay.
Do not touch him, sir.
No wonder. Thank you very much. Your word don't hear you, so we'll channel this your message to everywhere. What you call the appeal now? Balance Plaza. What do you call the beg government may they do for you? I know say the man I need the government. What do you call the beg they appeal to them may they do for you now? You want me justice prevail, Abi?
Picture.
I say you want make justice prevail.
Justice.
I say you want make justice prevail, Abi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no wahala. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. The law.
Yes, my brother.
We'll talk. The law. I say we'll talk privately now after the program.
You know this kind of thing
yes.
It's not easy for us.
Yes.
Apart from legal representation for him,
yes.
We're also using our own personal pocket now to make sure he's being catered for. Is very fine. So if we're many people from our side, they can assist for the medical bills.
Okay. You say they assist for medical.
Medical bills, yeah. So I will try and that tomorrow on that now. Go to comprehensive checkup first and know the extent to which the system was damaged. Because for person to go up one land or ground, you know how you if now you go to the hospital. Now by God's grace, this boy is sitting down for chair. But any small before he move, you don't complain of pain here. So I appeal to Maoga and Talakawa Human Rights and television alphabet. Making a look how something will still say, you know go easy for lawyer. Lawyer will do everything.
Okay.
And will still come spend so much money for healthcare.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. Now we still organize another program for that one. Everybody hear you. Thank you very much. We'll talk privately later. Thank you. Yes. Now don't hear from the lawyer. The lawyer to the boy and even the boy himself. We oga at the top. We oga at the top beats. We slap tack for here. So we still get one of our brother every say we will stay. When we say we want to talk for the matter. Hey brother, you watch the video now. You watch the video.
My brother for
you watch the video now.
Okay.
The video you watch on the T online.
Yes.
What will be your take on the matter?
My people, this matter where I see my people made an first.
Continue.
Apology, our humble apology for that error transmission. My people for us, for that video where I see, really touched my heart well. We see for the 21st century where we see day. And people will be say the day government wey suppose dey follow the rule of law just because of say look at say na common man for street you come say and e work na him dey do come say oga here no good for you make you park your motor make you carry am go under place and na because say make the motor no come under one make no come jam am so and e come in a peaceful manner to tell oga say make e carry im motor go one side make e park am for where im motor dey good for am Oga look at it na common man, how Oga begin use clap. And we know your belle no sweet up put at all. Wey be say Oga wey be say e go set a good example for other citizens make dem follow. And Oga come dey abuse the human right. Dey assault this man because they look at it na common man. And our law for Nigeria not talk say whether you be small pikin or you be old, whether you poor or you rich, you go respect humanity. You go respect that person. As e be so na wetin that oga do because say he say he na the oga for the top. And the video dey there. And the video still show say na oga na assault this common man because say na security man na he be. Say he no get backup, na him get the backup. And we go like make we do this medium. Make that security man get justice because many of our Ghana, so we see one senator the other day slap one of woman for restaurant. I be where one for bad justice for supermarket. So this one again, wey be say oga for code of conduct for Tribunal, woman Danny and so whatever he take call him name because we no just happy at all. For you to come do this one to our common man in the street, abeg we wan make justice prevail for this security man so that our government official wey dey power dem go know say law dey, and law no be wetin person dey abuse because say you dey power say dey oppress the common man in the street. And we no happy put. And if law take the court for this singular thing wey happen, I believe say oga at the top other one dem go follow, dem go learn because this one wey just lap our brother wey be security and here now e dey pay now. And now you know say Nigeria na one country wey be say when things happen like this, police go wan maybe say make dem fit intimidate the oppressed, the one wey dey oppress, and dem go join the oppressor to say make e continue right say na him go bring people take beat am. And we thank God say video dey this one o to that effect wey be say oga no go turn this matter to him own favour. That's why we say video no dey talk lie. So we wan make this our security man, our brother wey be security wey be say this oga at the top see say na common man no get person at the back, and one main law make e take e court, make justice prevail for this our brother. Na be wetin I get for this matter because belle no just sweet me at all. Maybe say our government official wey dey power wey go dey follow rule, dem come dey use that their own power take dey oppress our common man. And in a civilized country dem no dey do am like that. And if this kind thing happen for civilized country, e get some amount wey government dey find this kind people wey be say when dem see say yes na him dey guilty. I believe say that kind things wey dey happen for that civilized country wey be say when dem abuse law dem go find am. Make we still dey our constitution, no matter who you be, no matter the statue wey you dey for this government, and law be say nobody is above the law. And you want that same law to apply to this security man wey be say this man allegedly assaulted for about a few days ago. So na be wetin I get for this matter, and I thank God and I pray that the security man go get justice so that he go set a good example for people wey dey on top, the way dem dey molest and dey assault our common man in the street. And you too, we still use opportunity to tell anybody whether you dey government you no dey government, make dey respect human rights because we no be animal, you be human being. Let us respect ourselves irrespective of the position you hold in this country so that there will be peace and security among us. Thank you.
Yes,
I want to say, and my uncle,
my brothers and sisters, na so we go take end. My brother Onyekachi John Eze, Ekekwam ekenengi. Dalo. I don't see what you write. I don't get them. Barnes Plaza. One love. They thought those people are Biafra boys. We don't know which one be Biafra boys again. Would already get the test of the press statement with the man with the issue. We don't save him. Biafra boy. We don't know the one be Biafra boy. Thank you. Now, so we'll tell this our program tomorrow. Today, we're gonna stay tuned to our Talakawa's Parliament Human Rights TV. We're gonna help us like our page. Talakawa's Parliament Media Updates. Make una like our page. Make una follow us for latest information on human rights issue, on political issue, economic issue. The reporter as the hot. Thank you. Not forget to help us share the video, make it go viral. Make the man know say the people dey paro for that oppression. We can give to that man. Thank you and God bless you.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey hear all the things wey dey happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.